Making complex technical information understandable to a wider audience is a challenge faced by many organisations, regardless of whether they're in the B2B or B2C space. Many businesses fall into the trap of describing their business and their products and their services in the same way to their customers as they would do to a colleague. So there's common mistakes we see, using internal acronyms, or making assumptions around what customers want to learn about or what their level of understanding is. So there's a number of things we can do about this. The key to writing great technical content is to really understand your audience and to recognise that in the B2B world there's likely to be more than one audience. So you need to think about when to talk about the tech and when to talk about the features and the benefits of your products. To address this, there's a number of things we can do. Firstly, we need to consider having multiple documents or multiple web pages, so different levels of information. So perhaps a high-level introduction that talks about the features and the benefits of your product, and then a more detailed data sheet that can focus on specifications and technical information around your products. The other thing we can do is look to use use cases and case studies. These are a really good way of helping customers picture what's possible with your services and not just focusing on your technical specifications. The thing to remember here is to focus on what the customers are looking to achieve, how you help them to do it, and how you measured it. Be careful not to spend too much time talking about yourself and your own technology. The customer wants to understand what was achieved and what was possible. There's more to think about, of course, but the key thing to remember here is that it is possible to write great content for technical organisations without having to dumb it down.